This client of 4 years inherited a modern, native, grass-heavy landscape, and they were looking for something rich with cutting flowers that would attract pollinators. They called us specifically because they wanted to work with a company who is deeply connected to building beautiful gardens and are passionate gardeners themselves. They already had great architectural elements in their landscaping, so it was fun to build upon an already beautiful landscape. Over time, we regularly added in edibles like blueberries, fig trees, and raised beds that brought some utility to their landscape in a non-traditional way. Their perennial pollinator garden in the front yard is one of my favorite features, full of native perennials like coneflower, bee balm, and butterfly bushes. We've been building upon it for years and regularly add new interest with unique perennials. I love how the client could add her own personal touches and collaborate with us to build their dream landscape. Beautiful evergreen magnolias, hollies, and viburnum enhance the backyard and give them plenty of privacy and blooms in the summertime. They line the pool and lush courtyard area, along with lots of other old-growth trees. They also have the most beautiful evergreen clematis that I have ever seen. We see this property once a week for maintenance and mowing, which helps keep the landscaping looking its absolute best. Since the property had serious drainage issues, like a dramatic slope and standing water, it took a comprehensive drainage remediation plan and over a year of aeration and overseeding to rebuild their lawn to the plush grass you see here.